Good afternoon and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. My name is Shannon and today I'll be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen Touareg. This is a 3-litre diesel 4Motion drive and it's finished off in a stunning Reflex Silver metallic paint, which is an upgraded option for this car. We've got your chrome detailing on the front radiator grille, we've got your 19-inch alloy wheels, and then moving around the vehicle we've got your chrome roof rails. Adds a really nice detail into the car, contrasts really well. This car's done over 41,000 miles. And on the back, we've got your built-in tow bar, which is really handy. I'll just open up the boot. You can see for yourself, got lots of space in here. And then we've also got your spare wheel under there too, so you know you're covered for any unexpected punctures. Moving into the rear, the car's finished off in the lovely Titan black cricket leather upholstery. We've got your ISOFIX fitted in 2 of the rear seats, and the rear doors are also child locked, so it's an ideal family car. There's lots of space for anyone travelling. So I'll jump in and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So moving into the car, we've got your touchscreen menu. Got your DAB radio for all your music. And then this car also comes with front heated seats, which is perfect for those early and cold journeys to work. And we've got your built-in sat nav, you've got your speed limiter there, it's really handy and easy to use. And then this car comes with front and rear parking sensors, which are great for helping you park your new car confidently. And moving down, we've got your controls to your heated seats. And you've also got your climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable on the journey. Got a storage compartment down here. And we've got your automatic gearbox with your electronic park brake and auto hold. Got some storage under the armrest. And I'll give you a close-up of the stunning leather seats. They're in a really lovely condition. Moving around, we've got your chrome inserts. We've got your multifunction steering wheel, which you can use to change elements on the car without having to take your eyes off the road. So it's a lot safer when driving. And we've got your electric folding and heated door mirrors. Got your lights and then all your electric window controls down there. If you would like further information on this car, then please give us a call. Thank you for watching.